Can cryptocurrency actually make an ordinary person rich, or is the dream of crypto wealth mostly hype? To unpack this, let's look at two individuals. Both have the same amount of money. One person researches cryptocurrency, understands risks, and invests wisely. The other jumps into the market, driven by excitement, expecting quick gains. Their different approaches can lead to very different outcomes. So, is cryptocurrency the true wealth creator, or is it knowledge and decisions that matter? Today, we will explore vital subjects. How wealth is created in crypto, common ways people lose money, Bitcoin's importance and altcoins, risk management and future possibilities. Understanding these concepts will help you navigate crypto wisely. Cryptocurrency doesn't magically make you money. Wealth comes from several economic factors. 1. Asset appreciation over time. 2. Network growth enhances value. 3. Demand and scarcity affect prices. 4. Innovation drives new use cases. 5. Creating crypto businesses can generate income. 6. Digital asset ownership can appreciate. Imagine buying an asset for $1,000. Years later, it's worth $5,000. That gain comes from market demand rising. But why did it increase? It involves adoption, supply and demand dynamics, and investor sentiment. Remember, if demand falls, prices can drop sharply too. Bitcoin is a pivotal story in crypto wealth. It was the first major cryptocurrency and has unique attributes. Its supply is limited, fostering scarcity. It operates on a decentralized network. Ownership is verified through blockchain technology. But be cautious, price predictions are uncertain. Ask yourself, what if demand shifts? To illustrate, picture Bitcoin priced at $1,000. If demand rises, it could reach $5,000. Remember, past performance isn't a guarantee of future gains. Investors face volatility, regulation, and market cycles. For every crypto success story, countless more don't make headlines. Many lose money due to common pitfalls, like 1. Buying based solely on hype. 2. Chasing rapid returns from small investments. 3. Using borrowed money for trades. 4. Ignoring security measures. 5. Putting all funds into one asset. 6. Panic selling during dips. 7. Following influencers without research. The biggest mistake may be thinking you can't lose. Can small investments turn into fortunes? Let's explore the math. Invest $1,000, it could double to $2,000. 5 times it grows to $5,000. If it grows 10 times, that's $10,000. The catch? Higher returns usually come with higher risks. Focus on risk-adjusted expectations. The real question isn't only, how much can I earn? It should be, how much can I lose? Avoid thinking crypto wealth only comes from buying coins. You can build wealth in crypto without investing traditionally. Explore areas like blockchain development, security services, data analysis, educational roles. The difference? Investing means putting money into assets. Building a service around crypto can drive income independently. Consider this fictional entrepreneur who creates a helpful service for crypto users. Businesses can thrive without relying solely on crypto prices. Stablecoins come into play as well. These digital currencies aim to maintain stable values. They offer benefits such as quick transfers across borders, simplified digital commerce, improved financial infrastructure. What if digital money transfers become easier? Imagine the opportunities it could create for businesses. Now, let's discuss the gap between investing and gambling. Investing involves Asterisk research and understanding long-term planning. Managing risk effectively. Gambling is characterized by asterisk emotional, short-term decisions. Chasing hype and quick gains. Crypto can be speculative. Understanding the asset is crucial before making decisions. Buying based on hype is like gambling blindly. Now, let's project possible futures for crypto. Asterisk scenario 1. Asterisk wider adoption integrates crypto into everyday finance. Asterisk scenario 2. Many projects fail, but a few thrive. Asterisk scenario 3. Regulations reshape the market dynamics. Asterisk scenario 4. New tech revolutionizes the industry. The key takeaway is that the future is uncertain. Let's summarize 5 practical rules for engaging with crypto. Asterisk rule 1. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Asterisk rule 2. Understand your assets before purchasing. Asterisk rule 3. Market booms don't equal individual skill. Asterisk rule 4. Protect against scams and verify everything. Asterisk rule 5. Look beyond short-term prices. Return to our opening question. Can cryptocurrency really make you rich? It can create wealth opportunities, but it's not guaranteed. Those who succeed will have knowledge, risk management, and patience. The real chance lies in comprehending the technology and market, not just chasing coins. To stay updated, subscribe to Finance Flow. Turn on notifications, because understanding comes before opportunity. Let's discover the complexities of wealth together.